Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today is a sad day. It's always a sad day whenever you're going to lose something that's been pretty much a big part of this channel for such a long time. Cue the intro. Well, it's a sad day for me because it's been a big part of the channel, and that's the Honda MonkeyCycle Camper van. And we bought that to be able to put the MonkeyCycle in the back so we can go on some real distance, epic adventures and have it like a mobile studio. And it's been the studio for this channel for such a long time, and people would have noticed recently that we've now moved into the Helmet Head garage and made it into our studio. And you know, people have noticed that and have asked what's happening with the MonkeyCycle Camper van. And the thing is, I've had no choice. I had to put it for sale, and it's sold, and it's about to get collected. And I am gutted because I generally had a big vision for that, and it was an awesome vintage classic camper, but I couldn't get an engine, I couldn't get it fixed, and I need to move on because the channel obviously needs to keep going. And there is a plan for the future in regards to the Mark II MonkeyCycle camper van, but I think it's important to say goodbye to the MonkeyCycle camper properly. And it is. I'm going to really miss this camper. It's been in so many videos. It's you know, it's just a sad day. It's that simple. It's just sad.
Call it off. Let it go, all for nothing. I should have known. I've made mistakes, crashed and burned, so many chances, no time to learn. I need to find another way to make things right. I won't be coming back again a second time. Can't take it back, everything you've done. You know youth is wasted on the young. We still don't know where we belong. Time will tell us where we went wrong. You know youth is wasted on the young. On the young. Setting off, time to go. Engines running, we're on our own. Running on an endless road, reaching for something.
Well, there you go. There is the last time you'll see the MonkeyCycle camper van on the channel. I am gutted, to be completely honest with you. Like I said, there is a plan for a Mark II, bigger and better, but you know, like, I never ever want to get rid of anything that's using this channel. I want to keep everything, even if it ends up being just a prop in the background, but it's too big a prop to be able to fit in to the future Helmet Head studio. And I need to move on, and yeah, that's literally it. I'm just gutted. But you know, we've had some good times in that, and it's been a giggle to own, and it's been an awesome little studio for me to get this channel going in. It's just goodbye MonkeyCycle camper, and hopefully the Mark II will come soon. On that, obviously, with the Mark II, it's a big project coming up hopefully in the future, but I'm having to get the funds together to make that happen at the minute, and I will do, it will happen as always, but I'm still gutted. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click that subscribe button, that thumbs up and that bell button, and obviously you will see the next episode. If you are new here, then obviously it is well worth going back to see the little adventure with that. We took it all the way to Cheddar Gorge. We painted it, we did all sorts of stuff. We had the awesome sticker that was given to us from Steve Bolter on the back. It's been a little cool journey with that thing, and it's worth going back and watching those videos again. Anyway guys, all I'm going to say is thank you to my patrons for their support. You guys are absolutely awesome. Their name is on the credit, so you do get to watch the videos first. And of course the other side of it is that there's only sort of 3 things we live by in life, and it's the gospel, and they're the things that will make me happy and keep me going, and that's eat pie, ride motorcycles and be happy. I'll see you in the next Helmet Head adventure. Bye bye for now.